What if just 10 seconds of cold water could make you have fewer sick days this year? Not guaranteed immunity, but real data shows a 29% reduction in sick days from a simple cold shower routine. Try this quick challenge to find out. Cold showers and plunges, once athlete hacks, now wellness trends. Quick shocks to the system seem to activate immune cells. Does cold water boost immunity? A 2025 meta review found cold water immersion gave 29% fewer sick days but didn't reduce infection rate, suggesting resilience, not prevention. Lab studies show a temporary increase in leukocytes and inflammatory cytokines after repeated cold showers, but experts caution the effect fades over months and benefits may come from overall lifestyle, not just the cold. Why 10 seconds, not minutes? The cold shock response, sudden cold triggers adrenaline, norepinephrine, and cortisol surge, all part of alertness and stress modulation, but only the first 10 seconds carry high risk. Gas reflex, heart stress, especially for people with heart conditions. Most benefits were measured in short daily exposures. One study had participants finish hot showers with 30 to 90-second cold water over 3 months. Tiny challenge you can try tonight. Here's a safe version to test if your body responds. At end of warm shower, turn the water to cold, not freezing. Stand under it for 10 seconds, breathing slowly. Exit, dry off, and warm up slowly. Do this daily for a week and pay attention to how you feel energy, alertness, mood. This is not medical advice. Do not try if you have cardiovascular, respiratory, or other health issues. If you've ever tried a cold shower hack, smash that like and subscribe. This channel shares tiny health cheats backed by real science, not influencers just dunking for hype. What you might feel and notice. Alertness boost. Your brain releases dopamine and cortisol in the first minute. Temperature reset and circulation push. Cold triggers vasoconstriction, then rebound dilation, which may aid immune function. Mood lift. Studies show immediate reduction in negative affect and increased vigor after even short immersion. Precautions and when to skip. If you have heart conditions, hypertension, asthma, or are pregnant, don't try this without medical clearance. Never force extended exposure. Stop if dizzy or shivering. Not a cure or guaranteed immunity, just a potential resilience trigger. Tried the challenge? Did you feel a zing or nothing at all? Drop your experience in the comments, no medical details. Let's compare notes on who gets the alert boost. This video is for informational use only, not medical advice. Cold exposure can be risky for people with certain health conditions. What's your poll? Consult a healthcare provider before trying any cold water challenge. No liability assumed based on this content. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It's not medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider before attempting any cold exposure or health challenge.